Well, hello there, everybody. It's Jason with Rockstar Indy. We're out here at our first ever, well, actually, it's our second attempt at a tent. We're here in Greenfield, Indiana, and we're going to be doing a drive-up tent today. One of the things I'm going to be doing in between customers is working on the headlights for my Trailblazer. I've had this Trailblazer for a couple of years, and if you take a look behind me, you will see that the headlights are, in fact, really nasty. As a matter of fact, we'll take a closer look up at those in just a moment. But I'm going to be working on that today, and I want to give you an idea of the multi-step process that we use. We take the old, hazy, ugly, dirty surface completely off, and through a series of sandings and buffings, we'll get that polished up and good as new. So we'll be taking a look at that throughout the course of the day. Be back with a check on those close-up headlights in just a moment. Okay, I've already got the headlights taped up and masked off so we can start the cleaning and sanding process, but you can see these are pretty ate up. Now, this is the passenger side. I'm not sure this is going to come out really well because I do believe it has a perforation and might have gotten some water in there, which it makes it even more difficult. But we'll get the surface taken care of. This one on the other side, same condition. I don't think it's quite as bad. I don't believe it has a perforation, so hopefully it'll come out a little better. But we'll see exactly how they come out in just a minute. Okay, so I've masked everything off, and I've also cleaned the surface. Now I'm going to start sanding. We start with the 180 grit to completely remove the old surface, and we'll take it from there. A total of 7 different layers of abrasion that we use. Okay, everybody, we've done several layers. I'm going to do one more layer of sanding on the headlights. I'm going to see how it goes. I think it's going to go pretty well. So you can get another shot of me shooting this in just a few minutes. Okay, at this point we've taken off 7 layers of the old surface. New surface is looking nice and clean. There's a little bit of a haze to it, but we're going to be taking care of that in just a few minutes with our clear coat. So we're going to clean this off a little better, put a little clear coat on it, and that'll wrap it up for this headlight restoration. Okay, I've got them all wrapped up. I've removed the masking, and we can take a look here and see how nice and clear the headlights are. These are going to be much more effective at giving us light. They look much better. They're no longer ugly, yellow, hazy, and these are going to look much better. So again, if you are having some headlight issues, just get in touch with us at Rockstar Indy 317-402-3929. Talk to Steve. Tell him that you saw this ad. We'll even give you a $15 discount off our usual $75 price. Only $60 to get this done for your car. Get the more mileage out of your car. Talk to us at Rockstar Indy today.